Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation error in iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you're facing the activation error in your iMessage, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you just have to simply open your settings app here and just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to your apps section and here look for messages app, and you just have to try to enable and disable this up to 4 or 5 times because sometimes it might be a glitch which could be easily fixed by retrying. Or you can also try to go back and here just go to general section, go to date and time, and you just have to make sure that your date and time is set. Or you can also disable this toggle, select your time zone, and then enable this again. So it will help you to set your date and time. Then go to this language at region, select region, and select your own region from here. Once you have selected, just go back and go to software update section, and you just have to try to update your software. So once you have updated your software, you have to retry to check so your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix glitches. Not do this, just quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, you can try to go to your settings here. Go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset and select reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. So if there will be any issue with your any iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this step so you will not get the issue again. Or after doing this, if you're still facing the same issues, you just have to try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use the Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, look for messages here, just select this, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap get more help, then tap call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.